Today we're going to be looking at the sunlight boost option on our Suunto 7 smartwatch. Now the Suunto 7 runs on Google Wear OS, so this is a feature that you can find on other watches as well that run the Google Wear OS operating system. Sunlight Boost is basically a feature that lets the watch boost your display brightness when you're in direct sunlight. By default, when you get your Suunto 7, this feature should be turned on, but I'm going to show you where the setting is and how you can turn it off in the event that you want to. So the first thing we need to do is go to our settings. There's multiple ways to do that. I'm going to simply tap the touch screen, turns on my display, and then we are going to swipe down from the top. We're going to click the gear icon, which will take us into our settings, and then the very first option under settings we should see is display. We're going to choose display. The third option under display you should see is sunlight boost. Again, by default this is turned on. I can't really think of why anybody would turn this off other than you're just trying to maximize battery life on your watch. It's very simple. There's no customization to it. It's a simple toggle off or toggle on. Obviously, the more your screen is on and the brighter your screen is on, the more battery life the watch will use. So again, if you're looking to maximize battery life, you can turn this feature off. Once you've got it set the way you want, you can simply press the back button, and we've successfully adjusted the sunlight boost option on our Suunto 7 watch. I hope the video helps.